Yeah, hi. If you're looking to earn a few extra bucks every month, and I'm going to walk through you a total review of the site Swagbucks. Okay, and stay tuned right to the very end, because if you're $100 a month is not good enough for you and you want to earn more, then I will reveal exactly how I do that right at the very end. Okay, so let's head over to the laptop and we can run through Swagbucks step by step. Okay, so we've come on to the Swagbucks site here and we'll sign up very, very shortly. Joining is totally free, it's not going to cost you any money. But before we do that, let's just answer one question that you're probably going to be asking, and most people, is Swagbucks legitimate? And I can safely say that it is. There's a few things that as we go through, we will discuss. But straight from the front page, you can see that obviously it's seen on these particular sites here, which are all really good site, so they wouldn't be recommending it if it wasn't a good site. PayPal are associated with it, so that is another good mark that it's a good business. And it also states that they've paid this amount to all their members over the years. You can see that it is a very legit thing. The last thing, obviously, you've got Trustpilot here, which is a review site, and they've got over 15,000 reviews, and their trust score is 4.3 out of 5. So, again, if people didn't like it and they weren't getting paid, then this would not be as good as what it is. Okay, so we now know that it's okay and it's legit and you're going to get paid. So let's just find out how you can get paid, and we'll go and actually sign up for a free account. So you just need to put in your email address and create a password. Okay, so there's just a few things here that you just need to just agree to their terms and conditions and agree to a few other things here. So read through these, agree to cookies and all that sort of thing being and also about storing your data, etc. They won't sell your data on, but they would obviously have to store it. So you're basically just agreeing to that. So agree to all of those, and then we can start earning. Okay, you will need to verify your Swagbucks account. So come across to my Gmail account here. Just click on the email and click confirm email address. That will take you back to the home page. Okay, so straight away, we've got a few things here. You can fill out a quick survey, which takes 3 minutes, which will earn you 5 Swagbucks. You can add the swag button, which is an easy tool, so you can claim Swagbucks anywhere, and then you get 50 Swagbucks for that. You can also add a free trial, 30-day trial of Amazon Prime, and you get 450 Swagbucks for that. Now we're looking at about 100 Swagbucks equals $1. Okay, so we can go through to the home page. And this is your account here. So I've actually got 2 Swagbucks already in my account. Okay, so as you can see, I quickly done this survey and I've earned another lot of Swagbucks, another 5 Swagbucks up there. So that's how quickly you can earn it. And you've obviously got more here, so you can do different surveys on there, so that's easily done. You can also shop, so you can either visit certain shops. As you see, you've got Amazon, you've got TUI. So if you're booking a holiday, you can get 3% cash back. Plus, you can earn up to 3 Swagbucks for every £1 that you spend, which is amazing. Because hotels.com, FitFlop, Microsoft. So there's some really big names here. A lot of these obviously in the UK, because I'm in the UK. Argos, Clark. So these are all good quality companies that you can earn cash back with. So that's one way, obviously, you can earn more Swagbucks. Another way is you can discover. So you can use Swagbucks to discover different things. And again, you can get paid Swagbucks for just taking offers and things like that. So another good way of quickly earning some more Swagbucks. You can also watch videos and TV. There are no activities on this at the moment, but you can search. If you make Swagbucks your, let's get rid of the cookies. If you make Swagbucks your actual default search engine, but if you search for anything on Swagbucks, then if you purchase anything, you could well get money back, cash back, and also earn swag points as well. If you're into games and you like a bit of online gaming, then you've got all these mobile apps which you can download. Some of them, beware, you do have to pay for, but there are a lot in here that are free. So you can then go and you can earn quite a lot of to install this game. For argument's sake, Guns of Glory, 672 swag bucks just for actually downloading it and completing to level 19, and then you actually earn 672 swag bucks. You've also got rewards. So again, you can get gift cards, and so this is a lot of how you can actually spend your money. So once you've earned your swag bucks up here, you can then redeem them for like, say this is a £10 Marks and Spencer's gift e-voucher, which is only 1,360 swag bucks. Got Cafe Nero here, MasterCard, obviously PayPal. So if you wanted cash, you could actually get PayPal to your actual bank account. So these are the most popular ones. Obviously 5,000 swag bucks will get you $50 in cash. 10,000 will get you $100 in cash. And then you can just withdraw it from your PayPal account straight to your bank account. Okay, so the last thing that I want to obviously touch on is obviously you can refer other people, okay, and earn 300 swag bucks per person that you actually refer. So if you click on the plus people here, you can obviously earn 300 swag bucks bonus plus 10% of whatever they earn. So that's got to be worth it, isn't it? You've got your swag button referral URL here. Okay, so you just need to click on the copy, and then you can share it to Facebook, or you can tweet it out as well. You can also email people, so you can have 10 invites that people, you can actually just enter their email address, put a custom message, and send the email. So as you can see, there are many ways in which you can actually earn your swag bucks, and I've been on here literally a few minutes, and already I've earned 7 swag bucks. So as you can see, it's really easy to do. A lot of the programs and that, obviously the free trials and that you have to sign up for. Obviously, just beware that you won't obviously would need to cancel those, otherwise you would be charged. So how I would go and earn $100 a month out of this is basically go on and do 30 minutes to an hour each day, doing surveys, playing some games, watching the TV and the videos when there's some available, and it won't take you long to add up to your swag bucks into your account, and then you can redeem that across to PayPal and then withdraw the cash out. But like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, if you're looking to earn more than that and have an easier way of earning money, then I would totally recommend what I do, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing and you want to learn how you can start your business from scratch for free and then build it so you are making a full-time living online, then I would recommend going to this video here, which is a wealthy affiliate review. And this is the site I used to get started in affiliate marketing, and I'm still on there today. So if you sign up through the link that I'll leave in the description below here as well, then you will become part of my team, and I will be able to help you and guide you for free to do exactly the same. Okay, that's it for this video. So make sure that you look at the description below. I'll put a link to Swagbucks here. If you like this video, obviously give us a big thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow, it's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.